Hello everybody, my name is Marcin and welcome to the video where I'm going to show you how to do a flashback on a B550 MAG Tomahawk motherboard using a MacBook Pro. Most of the website's information always use the PC, and we're going to see if we can do it through a MacBook. What will eventually happen is that motherboard will go into a new PC build. This will be my first PC build ever, and I'm looking forward to going through that process with you as well. That'll be a separate video, of course, so hopefully you get to enjoy that one as well. In order to update our BIOS on the motherboard so that we can use the Ryzen 7 5000 series CPU, we're going to need the motherboard, of course, a power supply, the computer, and a flash drive. As we get started, what we'll do is we'll need to open up our disk utility, and we'll go to our thumbstick here, and then I will hit erase, and you will want it to do it in MS-DOS effect. Then erase. I've had issues before of this failing once, but then you can just do it again, and then it works, as you can see. Alright, next what you'll want to do, go to the MSI page, look up the B550 MAG, I guess just Tomahawk, huh? There you go, the MAG. You'll hit support. Then you will come over here, hit download. What will happen? It seems like when it downloads onto a Mac, it seems to download automatically. Alright, so what we'll want to do is take the one actual document and move that over to our flash drive. Once that's there, you'll want to hit caps lock and type in msi.rom, and that should be it. Eject it, and now we'll go through and I'll show you how to take that flash drive, put it in the motherboard, and flash it that way. Hopefully it works. See you in a second. What we've got here is the B550 MAG Tomahawk motherboard. This one is the AMD. You can see how gorgeous this motherboard is. It's black and gray industrial looking design. It's just really sleek. So I've got, per the instructions on page 33 of the manual, that they want you to connect the CPU and the 20+4 pin connectors to the power supply. I've got everything hooked up and it's already connected to power. I haven't turned anything on yet. They recommend to put, well, when I say they, I really mean other people I've seen on YouTube, plugging everything in first, which, ooh, that feels really tight. We'll see if that works. I've got the flash drive in the BIOS flashback port, which is the bottom one, and the button is actually right next to it. So I've got everything connected, and as you can tell, I do not need a CPU or memory in there. For some reason, the manual states to put the power in. I recommend to always follow what your instruction books say. So now I'm just going to grab a pencil or a pen. I'm going to kick on my power, and then I'm going to hold the flashback button until it turns on. if I actually hit it. No. You know what also helps? If you turn on the outlet. So now there's power running for sure. Now that I've turned on the outlet. There we go. Just hold it for a few seconds. That's running. Lights kicked on. Here, I'm going to turn off this light so you can see the pretty LEDs. And you can see those lighting up. Got power there and a blinking light. The manual states that once that light turns off, that'll be ready. And everything should shut down automatically. So we're just going to sit here and wait and see what happens.
One eternity later.
What? Okay. So it looks like it went through, and as you can tell, that flash BIOS button stopped blinking. I don't know if these are still supposed to be on and whatnot. Since I'm still learning, I don't know where. If there's an error readout code somewhere. I don't seem to see one. That might mean we're finished. I'm not sure. Well, we'll find out when we build the actual computer, and if I bricked it, I bricked it, and I'll just buy another motherboard. Hopefully I didn't, because I don't want to spend more money than I already have. Alright. Well, I'm going to shut this thing down, and I look forward to building this computer with you, and let's find out if I didn't kill it. Alright, have a good one, guys. Please like and subscribe, and follow for more. Thank you.